One day, a man came to see him and said, "Sir, my mind is very disturbed. Many thoughts keeps coming to my mind all the time. Please give me some mantra to reduce the thoughts of the mind." Zen master looked at him and said, "My friend, you start doing meditation every day. By doing meditation slowly and slowly, your mind will start to calm down." But the man said, "Sir, please don't tell me to do meditation. I can't do meditation, because then I try to meditate even more. Thoughts starts to come to my mind, and most of the thoughts are negative, which makes my mind more restless." The Zen master said, "Don't worry, son. It happens in the initial stage of meditation, but by practicing meditation slowly and slowly, your mind will start to calm down." But the man said, "Sir, meditation is not my cup of tea. You please give me some mantra to calm down." My mind, the Zen master saw that this man is not going to understand like this. Then he said, "Okay, if you insist, then I give you a mantra which can calm your mind." Then he whispered a mantra in his ear and said, "You have to recite this mantra by sitting alone every day." The man got very happy and said, "Thanks, master. I will surely recite this mantra every day." As he was about to turn back to leave, the Zen master said, "But remember one thing. Don't think of a monkey while reciting this mantra, otherwise mantra will become ineffective." The man said, "Sir, why would I think of a monkey? I have never thought of a monkey in my whole life. You don't worry about it." And he left from there. The man came back home happily and sat down to recite mantra as he started chanting. Mantra. He remembered the words of the Zen master that don't think of a monkey. When you recite this mantra as he remembered the words of the master, pictures of monkey started to come to his mind. He started to try and ignore the thoughts of monkey. But the more he tried to ignore the monkeys, the more the monkeys started to come to his mind. And after some time, his mind was fully crowded with monkeys. The man thought, "Why Zen master gave me this instruction? If he knew that monkey was a trouble, then he should not have mentioned it. No other animal is coming to my mind, and monkeys are not living." The man caught up, he took bath, changed to fresh clothes, and again settled on in a room to chant mantra as soon as he closed his eyes. Monk is warnaging him, they were all around him. Wherever he looked, he would see monkeys by night. He even started seeing monkeys in the face of his family members. Man was going mad. The more he was trying to ignore monkeys, the more monkeys were coming to his mind by morning. He was almost mad. Next morning, he ran back to the Zen master and told him everything and said, "Sir, what kind of mantra you have given me till yesterday? I had never thought about monkey, and now my mind is completely filled with thoughts of monkeys, and monkeys are not leaving me even for a second. Please help me and free my mind off these monkeys." Zen master said, "Okay, just relax and stop reciting. Mantra, don't do anything." The man sat down, relaxed, and stopped reciting mantra. He was surprised that now there was no thought of monkey. Everything went to normal. Then Zen master said, "You see, my friend, I just wanted to tell you about the nature of our mind. Never try to fight with your mind. Just as the more you press, the more it will jump in the same way. The more you try to suppress your mind, the more it will become stronger. Be calm. Start watching the thoughts of the mind, and you will find that your mind will gradually become calm automatically. And to watch your mind, you need to do meditation. If we see in our lives, we will find that our mind is just like a monkey, which keeps jumping here and there all the time senselessly. If you want to stop this monkey mind forcefully, then you won't be able to do this. Like the more you try to press his ping, the more it will jump. Similarly, the more you try to stop the thoughts of your mind, the more those thoughts will come to your mind. Expert says that a human mind creates anything between 36,000 to 80,000 thoughts in a day. If you will try to stop these thoughts forcefully, then you won't be able to stop them. Instead, the very effort to stop it gives it energy. The very effort to avoid it becomes attention when you start to avoid something. You start paying too much attention to it. Therefore, there is no need to stop thoughts. only thing you need to do is to watch your thoughts unattached in our routine life. Generally, we are not able to watch our thoughts, but in meditation you can easily do it. Therefore, you need to practice meditation to witness your mind. Some people experience that when they start meditation, more thoughts start to come to their mind. But the reason behind it is that when we start meditating, the old impressions hidden in our mind start to erupt. Just like if you clean your house, then all the garbage comes out. Similarly, when you start meditating, all the garbage of the mind starts coming out, and you will start having more thoughts, but you need not to worry about it, and keep watching your thoughts on a test, and continue your meditation practice slowly and slowly. Then all the garbage of the mind comes out. Then the mind itself will start to calm down, and you will start having less thoughts. And with long practice, you will surely be able to control your mind.